Don't get in my spot, mister. Let me go get the gummy food. You're not even in it. Hey guys, they were back with another video. And go subscribe to my vlog channel. Huh? No, that was for my vlog channel, but anyway. Go subscribe to my vlog channel at Vlogs by Zariah Hawes. That's where I went to Five Below and got some gummies. We also went to Burger King. So basically we have a burger, like it's burger, fries, and coca. We have sushi. I know. Shut up. We have sushi, but we're doing that on Jay's YouTube channel. So we have like this whole burger kit. It's burgers, gummy, cola, and I didn't want to ruin the packaging, but
it's hard.
Yeah, it really is.
Don't try this at home. I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want at home. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, because we're not responsible for it.
True, true.
Okay. Oh, this is actually beautiful. So you have the fake Coca-Cola with no straw, really.
I'll do that right there. But clean up as soon as you're
Okay. So what? Is it liquid?
Like, no, it doesn't. It smells like Coca-Cola with extra extract. But we're just going to leave that be. So here's the Coca-Cola. We're going to go versus real food.
The fries.
The fries.
I ate all my fries, but I have one more.
And
that's my last fry.
This burger.
I have my burger right here.
This burger's hard to get out. Jay, hush. Don't sleep.
I know.
And the
and
burger.
I'm hungry.
So basically,
which one's more important? Hungry or sleep?
Sleep.
Comment down below. Hungry.
So first we're going to try the...
I'm not going to eat on camera.
Why not?
Stop.
We eat on camera almost every time we make video. First we're going to try the fake cola. It smells like Coca-Cola really strong. It's really strong.
Oh my gosh.
Strong. It doesn't smell like licorice. It smells like Coca-Cola, but it's strong. Okay, so here's the little... tastes like Coca-Cola.
If you don't know, I love Coca-Cola Diet Coca-Cola. That smells like it, but way more intense.
No, try this. Never mind. You gotta touch it.
It's like all mixed together, like it's all one big string.
Probably. Oh, wow. It's not bad. It's not good, though.
Exactly.
Put it back in there.
It tastes like a Twizzler, but disgusting.
It's not. I'm gonna say.
Oh my gosh.
It's not.
This is actually disgusting.
Yeah, it's not like good, but it's not bad.
Sometimes like that tastes like lemon or something.
And I'm gonna put these back in the thing. Don't worry. Is somebody knocking on the door? Is that the people upstairs?
People upstairs.
Better be, because I ain't gonna taste it though. So here's the fries. Like if this was a restaurant, these kind of look like real fries, so. I could rip it in part.
We're going to eat all of these. We're not going to waste them.
Don't
Except for
worry.
that soda.
Probably. Probably gonna give it to our little cousins.
I'm probably going to like it.
Smells like, it tastes like lemon drops. The hard candies. That's what it tastes like.
I still have it.
It's good. I like these. It has just sour cone stuff.
I'm going to eat mine.
It tastes like lemon drops. Don't it?
This is delicious.
Yeah. It's way better than this.
I'm going to just get one more.
I'm not a huge sweet tooth. Like, I love candy, but not like a huge sweet tooth. Next
But I am though.
is a burger.
The burger.
They wanted this to be safe.
I'm pretty sure the burger has lettuce.
Jay. Come on, sleep. Calm your butt down.
Lettuce, tomatoes.
I'm pretty sure she has to go to work. Where's the bottom bun? Retards.
That's just rude.
Strong. Smells like a whole bucket of Halloween candy. Okay, I'll give you like. Oh wow, it's like little tiny burger pieces here.
Exactly. It's like a
Here's yours. Do mine.
pizza.
Yeah, we was gonna pick the pizza, as you've probably seen on my vlog channel. But if you haven't seen, oh, it's gummy bears.
Yeah, those are good. I didn't tell you. I told you that.
Oh, but,
3.
hold on. But if you haven't seen my vlog, I'm gonna get these little pickles. If you haven't seen my vlog, go check it out, or else you might. Oh, tomatoes too.
Yep.
I'll get those. I'm
get a
just messing
tomato.
up the burger.
Exactly.
Pick that up. You eating it too.
Okay.
Okay.
Where'd it go?
On the floor right there.
That made dirt. Don't hurt.
Exactly. Oh, there was only one tomato. I don't like tomatoes in real life anyway. All right, ready?
3, 2,
1.
Oh my gosh, it's some food. My gosh.
Oh wow.
I can't chew anything.
I
don't want to show this on camera because it keeps coming out of my mouth.
can't bite into it. Okay.
Oh my god.
It's good, but it's hard to bite into.
I can't even swallow this.
Yes, we're gonna eat this like they said.
I ate the whole thing at once.
We're not gonna waste it or anything.
I just stuffed it all in my mouth. I just said,
Okay. They're like really strong.
That was the end of the video, right?
Yeah. What was your favorite part of this whole meal? Probably the fries.
Yeah, probably the fries. Those were the best.
The meat patty is hard.
It's hard to chew. I can't show this on camera because it keeps
I'll
coming
block
out
it
of my
out.
mouth.
I'll block it out. So but ooh,
This was kind of like a mukbang.
kind of.
Mukbang candy version.
But if you want to see us eat some sushi, go over to Jay's channel. The link will be in the description.
John Winnie Gaming, subscribe and like.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Hold on. Peace.